what happened? He was an excellent stakeholder. He just got tired. He was burnt out. And so, family, we as project managers, we have to do proper resource management. We have to ensure that we're not burning out our resources because and we have to be more efficient with their time. I mean, don't schedule meeting after meeting and you don't have an outcome. I love when I was watching a video with Alex Hormozian. He said when he walked into the meeting, virtual meeting, he was saying, "What problem are we trying to solve?" And I was like, "Ooh, I like that." I said, "That's how we have to start leading more meetings. Is asking that pivotal question." What problem are we trying to solve? Or are you just on here so you can just hide out from other people? I'm telling you, family, I've seen it time and time again. People will jump on a call just to hide out from any other call that they may have to jump to. So family, when you're actually building out your resource plan, ensure that you don't overload your resource through meetings, through just constant always contacting them. Try to do your very best to ensure that you get a particular outcome when you talk with them. Point number 5, communication breakdown.